With the simple push of a button, the Greenworks line of lawn care tools are ready to power through all of your outdoor jobs. The entire system runs off of a single, powerful, lightweight, lithium-ion battery, so there are no fumes, no emissions, and virtually no maintenance. Powerful, gas-comparable tools that will change the way you work in your yard. Greenworks, one battery, all the tools you'll need. Shop now at greenworkstools.com.
By following a few simple steps in the spring, you can prevent grassy weeds from becoming a problem in the summer. Begin by hooking up your garden hose and deeply watering your lawn. Watering deeply and infrequently helps your lawn compete by encouraging deeper root growth. Before mowing your lawn, reset the height of your lawnmower. By mowing at one of the two highest settings, your grass will grow thick, shading weed seeds, so it's harder for them to grow. Finally, feed your lawn every 6 to 8 weeks during the growing season with a combination turf builder and weed killer. By spending a little extra time protecting your lawn this spring, you'll have that beautiful lawn you've always wanted this summer. The first step to winterize your gas-powered pressure washer is to add a fuel stabilizer to the gas tank. Then run the engine for 2 minutes to circulate the stabilizer through the system. Next, you'll want to place the detergent feed tube in a bucket of clean tap water. Using the low pressure nozzle, hold down the trigger. After a few minutes, turn off the hose and remove it from the pump. Pull the trigger and remove all remaining water. Finally, you'll need to add an antifreeze pump saver. This will protect your pump and inner seals from damage when temperatures drop near freezing. For electric pressure washers, the steps are nearly identical. First, remove all cleaning solution and water from the pressure washer system. Follow that by adding an antifreeze pump saver.